In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recreate Netflix website using Lovable. We'll build a clean Netflix-style homepage using Lovable's prompt-based builder, keeping the process simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Once the page loads, you'll see a workspace with a prominent prompt box. That prompt is the heart of this workflow. You'll describe the page you want, and Lovable will generate it for you. Click into the prompt box and clearly describe a Netflix-style homepage. Be specific about the sections you want so the first draft comes out close to your vision. For example, ask for a top navigation bar with a logo placeholder and links for home, TV shows, movies, and my list. Describe a bold hero section with a large featured movie banner. Include two primary buttons beneath the banner labeled Play and More Info. Request horizontal scrolling rows of movie cards beneath the hero, and mention that each card should have a smooth hover animation that slightly enlarges the card or shows a subtle shadow. Finally, specify that the layout should be fully responsive so it looks great on both mobile and desktop. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Lovable will begin assembling the layout, styling, and interactions based on your description. This can take a moment, so give it time to process. While it's working, avoid refreshing the page or navigating away to ensure the build completes smoothly. When the preview loads, skim the result to see how closely it matches your prompt. You should see the navigation at the top, the featured hero banner front and center, and the movie rows beneath. Hover over a few cards to confirm the animation feels natural, and glance at the buttons to make sure Play and More Info are clearly visible and easy to click. If you resize the browser, you'll get a quick sense of how the responsive layout adapts. To refine the page, add more instructions into the prompt box to improve it. You might ask for a darker background with high contrast text for that familiar cinematic look, tighter spacing in the navigation, or a more dramatic hover scale on cards. You can request custom row titles like Trending Now or Recently Added, ask for balanced margins on mobile, or adjust button styles so Play is primary and More Info is secondary. Each time you update the prompt, regenerate and review the changes, iterating until the layout, interactions, and responsiveness feel just right. That's it. With clear prompts and a few iterations, Lovable makes recreating a Netflix-style homepage straightforward and efficient.